decided to go to Germany to do a hike around Lake Eibsee. Unfortunately, we didn't leave in time to make it to the lake today. With a recommendation from my dad, we decided to go to the Black Forest. When we looked online, we found this really cool place called Wildline. You should be able to walk in between the trees, and there should be a structure that you can see above the trees. So that's what we're planning to do today. You can just see it peeking through. That's where we're going. The highest or the tallest? Nice! You didn't like have it balanced like this one.
Is this one wobbly?
It doesn't even wobble.
This is actually gonna come.
We're now making our way up to the viewing deck. It looks so awesome. Can you see? The structure has a slide that Ferdy is determined to slide down on. The ride is closed. Oh well. That is the actual bridge. I don't know if I can go on that bridge. Oh.
Are you scared? I can do it moonwalking.
Well, it's not moving, so that's okay.
Relax, wait.
No, Howie.
Go on. I have to hold your hand. What are you scared of?
No, you're rocking it.
It's not even moving.
Can we let the grandparents go before us?
No. We want to have the good view. What are you scared of?
I'm dying.
Come on.
The longer I was on the bridge, the more the fear started to subside. Luckily, there was only a few of us on the bridge, so that the movement was kept to a minimum and I could try to enjoy the view.
Oh, you made it.
Yeah, I actually did. Isn't that crazy? After all of that excitement, we ended the day with pizza back at our hotel room and watched Peacemaker. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.